Hi guys, welcome to Lifts, where you learn IT with Shakespeare. Right, I have created a video which was looking at creating basic formula in Excel. In that video, I showed how to use the mathematical operators such as the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. If you want, you can actually find the video in my playlist. Right, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Give it thumbs up if you like it, give a comment so that we improve on our videos. Give a comment if you actually want a video for a specific concept that is related to IT. Right, today we are going to look at comparison operators. These operators, they are used to compare values. Or to compare objects. Right, so here we want to start with the equal sign. The equal sign is used to compare two values, and the two values, the first one is to its left and the other one is to its right. So here we do have the equal sign. It's comparing if the value in A1 is equal to the value in B1. That is checking if the value in A1 is equal to the value in B1. Right, so we have the left side and the right side. It's checking if these two values are equal. If they are equal, it gives us a true, or it returns true. So it's more like I'm asking, is A1 equal to B1? Then the Excel is going to respond by saying yes, or saying it's true that A1 is equal to B1. Otherwise, it may say it's false that A1 is equal to B1. Right, let's look at the greater than sign. The greater than sign is used to check if the value to its left is greater than or is bigger than the value in B1, which is to its right side. Less than is used to check if the value to its left is smaller than the value to its right side. Greater than or equal to sign, it's used to check if the value to its left side is greater than the value to its right side, or it's checking whether the value to its left side is equal to the value to its right side. So it's an or. If an or sign is satisfied or is true, then the condition is now true. If this condition with the greater than sign is not true, but the equal sign is true, then the overall result is true. If both are not true, then the condition is not true. So these operators are used to check conditions or to do logical tests. Then we have less than or equal to. It's used to check if the value to its left side is less than B1 or is equal to the value to its right side. That is A1 less or equal to B1. Then we have not equal to sign. It's checking if this value to its left side is not equal to B1. That is, it's just checking if that value is not equal to that. Right, let's get into the practical part of it. Here we do have this table. Let me have it with borders so that we can actually view what we are doing. And let me color it, give it a specific color. Let me give it that one, right? So equal, I want to check if the value in B25 is equal to value in C25, right? So what I'm going to do is I will say for instance I will say equal sign, then I say B25 equal to C25. If this is true, it's going to return true in that cell. So I press enter. So value 1 is equal to value 2. Then I do copy or autofilling like that. This one is not equal to that, so it's false. 25 is not equal to 12, so that's false. Greater than, I will say equal sign, then that one greater, is it greater than the value in cell C25? Is 10 greater than 10? This is not true. 10 cannot be greater than 10. 10 is equal to 10, so it's supposed to give me false, right? Like that. So I do the autofilling to check. So 25 is actually greater than 12. That's why I'm having a true there. And 12 is not greater than 13. That's why I'm having a false there. Less than. With less than, I put that one. And then I say value 1, which is B25. Is B25 less than C25? Press enter. 10 is not less than 10, so it's false. But 12 is less than 13. That's true. 25 is not less than 12, so it's false. Not equal to. Here I'll say equal sign. Then I check that one. Then I put the not equal sign. Then I select that one. Is 10 not equal to 10? It must give me a false, because 20 the value in B25 is actually equal to the value in C25. So it's giving me false there. So let me check. This one is not equal to that. That's true. This one is not, 25 is not equal to 12. That's true. Greater or equal to, I'll say equal sign, then I click that one, then I say greater or equal to the value in that cell, and I press enter. Is 10 greater than 10? That's not true, but 10 is equal to 10, so it's going to give me true there. See, I do autofilling so that we check. 12 is not greater than 13, and 12 is also not equal to 13, so that's why we are having a false there. If you can actually check with the formula, that one 25 is actually greater than 12, that's why we're having a true there. Less or equal to, say equal sign there. This equal sign is used every time I'm typing a formula. So here I say that, then